So today I'm going to introduce you to crypto debit card from Cofinex technology. So this is Cofinex crypto debit card. This is not a simple card, but this you can top up crypto also, and then you can transact it in any POS. You can withdraw money from the ATM. So it's very handy and very flexible. So I will show you how you can actually top up. So if you see, this is the so you can create your own card. So you click here, you select what kind of card you want, physical, and you want it with staking or without staking. So we go with staking. And these are the options. So you have 5 different cards to order, and it has got a price tag. You can see these 5 cards. Each of these has these features with it. So the topmost signature card, you get a reward point of 3%. Netflix subscription is free, Prime, Spotify, Expedia. So all these subscriptions you will get for free.
Crypto products and NFTs are unregulated and can be highly risky. There may be no regulatory recourse for any loss from such transactions. All investments are subject to price fluctuation risk. Cofinex does not guarantee any assured returns or profit. Terms and conditions of the exchange apply.